Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's recipe, we are going to be making gizzard sauce. So, and here are my ingredients we are going to use to prepare this Nigeria gizzard sauce, guys. So as you can see, this is gizzard. Be watch, I have already washed it, and then these are the ingredients I'm going to use: garlic powder, ginger powder, salt and Maggi powder, curry, and so these are the, I also have my, so guys, you can see this is my onions, big slice, and my red pepper. So and this is it, guys. So we are going to start now. And I want to use this medium to thank my old and new subscribers and my returning subscriber. And if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by press that red button, subscribe and like. Anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to notify. Thank you and God bless you. Keep watching, sharing. God mighty bless you all. Thank you so much. Let's get started, guys. Let's dive in. My water, my pot is already in the gas, so we are going to put my gizzard in the pot to cook, guys. Okay. So guys, you can see I already put all my ingredients, so I'm going to cover it to cook. Okay guys. So guys, you can see my gizzards is just cooked. So we are going to fry it. Okay guys. You guys can see I'm frying my gizzard. So guys, you can see we are going to be frying the sauce, guys. This is my onions and pepper. Add my red pepper. So I'm going to stir it. This is my gizzard. I'm going to put all the ingredients. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour in the gizzard I fried. Okay guys. So I'm going to pour in the gizzard. guys, you can see I just pour my fried gizzard in the sauce, so I'm going to stir it, guys. So we are going to leave it in 2 minutes, guys. Okay. So guys,
you don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now yeah, press that bell, that school bell, press on to the get our notification. Now if you dey go, thank you, a lawyer.